Hey, it's Sonia from Just Women's Business, and today I want to show you how we can make some journal pages really quickly and easy in Canva. So this is the front page, and this is sort of a very simple journal page that's a slightly different variations. So they're super simple, and the first thing we'll do is I'll show you how to make lines and make them even. So to get a line, all you have to do on the keyboard is press L. And while the line's highlighted, you've got your line toolbar, and we'll go to the stroke style. So we'll just make it a size 1 because I like it a bit finer, which sometimes doesn't work. So we'll go there. And then while that's highlighted, we just hit the duplicate bar, say as many times as you like. Then I just pull one up and one down. Then I group them, so you just sort of drag your mouse across the whole lot of lines, go to the position tool, go to tidy up, and it makes them perfectly even on your page. So if you want a couple more lines, or you have to just say you want 4 more lines, you just grab 4 more, duplicate them, pull them down, and I sort of sometimes, like, you might actually make the gap a bit big. So what you want to do is lasso or group them again, go to position, go to the tidy up, and it makes those extra added lines even more like that. They group them all evenly together. So while it's all highlighted, you can group it, which is kind of safe, and pull them out as far as you like. And that's how simple it is to make lines. Now, I've made just like a decorative, like a top header, especially on this one, and a top and a footer. So the way to do that is you just go to your elements, and which is way up the top, and then we go to frames, which I've already highlighted up there, and enter. And it's the ones with the photo, like the cloud and hills in them. That's the frame we want. And I always pick the first one, which is the square. I drag it right up to the top and possibly overlay it just a bit, pull it right out, and you make it as big or as thin or thick as you like. I might make it just a bit thicker. I'll duplicate it. So while it's highlighted, I just duplicate it, pull it to the bottom, and make it a bit smaller. And I might drag these lines right to the bottom, and then I'm going to put a text, and what I might do is pick seasons, and I'm going to take off the capitals, and I'm going to make it a fair bit bigger, and just write journal pages. And I notice it's quite gappy, so I'm going to highlight it, go to the letter height and width, and pull it right back down. And that is just a bit nicer, I thought, a little bit softer. And then to get these images like we've done here, I'll show you. It's super easy. If you've got uploaded images, like stock images or your own photos, just click on the images, and all you have to do is drag them. So I kind of like something pretty and feminine, so I'll just drag that across, and I might do the same for the bottom. So I'll just make it a bit bigger. So what you want to do, if you don't like the part of the image it's grabbed, just double click it, drag it down, and it gives you a totally different part of the image. So you can have anything you like in that part of that image, but you just got to double click on it and drag it down. So this page is just the same type of thing. I'll just go back. I've just created 2 separate groups of boxes, pull the missed one there, and then added a frame. So all what you do here is possibly ungroup that, and then I just group these ones, make them smaller, and then I would just go back to frames, which is probably easier for me. Sometimes I'll go to elements, the frame, pop that in. I'd probably delete that part if I was just putting an image in, make it smaller, pull it out, and then add your image. So that's how simple and easy it is to make really pretty lined journal pages in Canva.